I tell them that I did this? Maybe. I'm an idea. Let's just do this. Okay, let's go.
I don't want to say this, but I have to. Guys, it was me.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I think let's throw it away.
Good idea.
Stop!
Who are you?
Who are you?
Oh, I'm Navdeep from NST Nature Savers.
What's NST Nature? Glad you asked.
NST Nature Savers Team is an organization designed to help nature, plants, and the environment as a whole. We have volunteers from all over the U.S. and soon all over the world.
We also have student teachers in our NST Nature Savers team which help kids learn about nature. We have levels and tests for all of them. We even have online meetings every Saturday. NST Nature Savers team!